Unraveling the Melodies, the art of playing a blues harp. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of language and music. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase that bridges both worlds, playing a blues harp. Whether you're a language learner or a music enthusiast, this video is crafted to help you understand not just the meaning, but the culture and emotion behind this expression. So, let's get started and unwrap the mystery of the blues harp together. A blues harp is another name for a diatonic harmonica used primarily in blues music. It's a small, handheld musical instrument that produces sound through the use of a mouthpiece with air channels and metal reeds. What makes the blues harp unique is its ability to convey deep emotions and feelings, mimicking the human voice with its wails, moans, and soulful tones. The term, blues harp, itself is steeped in the rich traditions of blues music, a genre that expresses the joys and sorrows of life through rhythm and melody. Playing the blues harp involves more than just blowing air into an instrument. It's an art form that requires technique, emotion, and a deep connection with the music. Players use various methods like bending notes, vibrato, and tongue blocking to create the distinctive sounds typical of blues music. Bending notes, for instance, allows musicians to hit pitches that aren't naturally present in the harmonica, giving it a vocal-like quality that's so characteristic of blues music. The blues harp is not just an instrument, it's a symbol of resilience and expression in African American history. Originating from the deep south of the United States, blues music, and by extension, the blues harp, tells stories of hardship, love, loss, and hope. Learning to play the blues harp is like carrying on a tradition that has been passed down through generations, keeping the spirit of the blues alive. For those interested in learning, playing the blues harp requires patience and practice. It's about finding your own style and voice through the instrument. Beginners should start with the basics, like understanding the layout of the harmonica and mastering simple melodies, before moving on to more complex techniques. Remember, the blues is all about feeling, so let your emotions guide your playing. And that's a wrap on playing the blues harp. We hope this video has not only enlightened you about the meaning of the phrase but also inspired you to appreciate the deeper connections between language, music, and culture. Whether you're looking to pick up a new instrument or simply exploring the intricacies of English phrases, remember that learning is a journey filled with endless discoveries. Thank you for watching, and keep tuning in for more explorations into the fascinating world of language and music.